pretty simple reason I picked out this car to drive. It's Arizona. It's sunny. It's a convertible. I've driven a lot of Camaros. I've driven a lot of Camaro convertibles. But I have never driven the Camaro convertible with an L78 370 horsepower 396 engine. It's got the correct M21 4-speed in it. Shifts well. No power steering in this car, so you really have to work at low speeds. It's a pony car, so it's a small car with a big motor in it. This car is really like a finely sharpened axe. It's single purpose. It's designed for the stoplight drag. It's a powerful engine, very responsive. Full restoration, but well put back together. A lot of times when a car is fully blown apart and put back together, it just doesn't work right. The steering, the brakes. This car has been sorted so that it feels like a car. What's nice about this Camaro too is it's got a small back seat. You can put a couple of people, you can take a couple of friends along with you, and you can share the pleasure of driving a 60s muscle car with your buddies. These big engine cars don't have power steering are just brutal to live with on a daily driving basis. I mean, think about trying to parallel park this car. But in today's world, as collector cars, we don't use them as daily drivers. We use them on special times to go to car shows, cruises, tours. So when you're buying this car, you're buying it for one reason, and that's its performance. I like the feel of this car. Simply a well put together car that's behaving like it should.